Being the professional that everyone can count on, I think, is a big deal, especially in the world of private events, specifically weddings. What do I mean by that? Today, case in point, we came to tonight's celebration. The couple didn't arrange to have a microphone for the ceremony. The ceremony is outdoors, small wedding, but still requires a microphone so that everyone can clearly and properly hear what's going on between the vows, between the delivery of the overall ceremony, and just for any direction that's provided by the officiant. In this case, it was one of the members of the wedding party was actually the officiant, double duty. How do we handle it? Well, we stepped up and we provided the microphone service for the couple, the planner, the venue, the other professionals, all super happy. Another thing that I think is important to kind of like bring into this conversation is having a universe of different adapters available and in your arsenal, in your kit, in your support bag, in your oh shit bag that you have, that you bring with you to every single event. Having a female XLR to male quarter inch, having a male XLR to male quarter inch, having a female XLR to female quarter inch, having RCA adapters, having different adapters available on hand and ready to go, I think makes you an all-star. And if you're looking to elevate your game, I think, and you are looking to do this long-term, thinking about others and working well, playing with, and being someone that other people in the industry can look up to and look towards as someone that's always going to show up, always is going to be prepared, always has the what if covered, I think can help you in so many different ways. So this is just behind the scenes kind of conversation from your boy over here, but I feel like it's an important one. Always be ready to go, always be ready to step up, and always have the adapter, the extra cable, the gaff tape, the thing that can help other people succeed. And even if you don't have it in your booth or in your bag, having it in your van or in your, backup, whatever, I think is a big deal, especially when you can provide that and you can help someone and you can make their day a little bit easier. That's what makes everybody win in the private event space. Be on the lookout for more content just like this coming to the channel in days, weeks, and months ahead, and I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching.